This is Greg. He's making his cake for, what is it for, Greg?
Cupcake!
Yes, he's supposed to make his own cake, right?
Yeah.
His very own cake he made.
I'm gonna make it with boogers. I'm gonna make it with
No, he's put, what are you putting on it?
coconut.
Coconut. What kind of cake is it?
A booger cake.
No, it's an orange.
Yeah.
Orange
But
cake.
I'm gonna put boogers in it.
No, Greg. Now put some on the sides now. He's got to take it down to his pack meeting tonight.
Yeah. It's gonna be the funnest
And everybody comes home with a different cake.
Yeah, I'm gonna take home the best chocolate cake I can find.
Yeah, there he goes. Making his cake. Oh.
Mm. Mm.
Good job, Greg.
Mm. Mm. It's good.
You hold the cake on the side, and that's how you get the sides done.
I can make this cake however I want. I can make it with that Gregory made.
Yes,
But
look at
that's
that.
up to
Oh,
them.
boy.
I want to eat it, but someone else has to eat it.
Okay, tilt it just a teeny bit, Greg.
What?
Tilt it just a teeny bit. Yes, you did a good job. Boy. Thank you, Greg.